Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back for our next training session on creating your first template in Act Marketing Automation. In this tutorial, I want to show you some different things about moving things into your email. And I'm going to go up specifically talk about content. So if I want to add content of any type, for example, I'm just going to add a bunch of stuff. I'm going to start with an image and I'm just going to drag it over. I'm going to start with text. I'm going to drag it over. And when I did the image, I wasn't following the blue line. And you really want to get that blue line in there. And when you see it, let go. Button. Drag it over. When you see that drag it here blue line, let go. There's a button. Social icons. Drag it over. See the blue line, let go. Divider. Let go. Okay. Video. Let go. You can input a video like a URL from a YouTube video. So this video I'm producing, I could embed right in this training. So I've done most of these. I think I did all of them except the HTML. That's all you have to do. Now, rows, if I click on rows, I can come down, click on the row I want to choose. So this one is two small cells and a bigger cell. So it's sort of the first half is split in two, and then the third one is the full second half of that row. Let me click and just drag it over. Again, I want to get that blue button and drop it right there. Once I get it inside, I can now come back to the content, and I can drag an image to the first one. I could drag, for example, a video to the middle one. Now, I'm not saying these are practical and a good way to do it, but I could put a button in the third one. Let me try that again. There we go. If I want to move these around, I can drag them around the screen a little bit and reposition them. There we go. So you can go in and you can save these items in any way you see fit. You can come in, move them around, work with them. And honestly, as a web designer, someone who's done this stuff becomes a little more intuitive. The way you work with it, the more you do it. So come in and mess around with this and just see how it works. Again, to save this, I'm going to go up and click on Save, and we'll get these little dancing lines, circle, and once it's saved, it will come back up on the screen and we're good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you so very much. You have a great day. Bye now.